In this video I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT search to Google Chrome. And basically what it does, it is using ChatGPT for searching on the web through Google. What we need to do is go to chatgpt.com, and after that you will click on the right side on your profile icon. Click on Get ChatGPT Search extension, and now it redirects you to the Google Web Store, the Chrome Web Store. And now you can add this extension to your Google Chrome. And what it does now is, if you search for something over here, like how is the weather in the United Kingdom, it is using now ChatGPT as the search engine. So ChatGPT is currently giving you a summarize of your search topic, and what it also does, you can give ChatGPT some follow-up questions on this result they are giving, like, do you know when the weather or when the temperature is getting warmer in London? And now it is searching on the web and it is creating a result for you to summarize when they expect it is getting warmer in London. As you can see, they give a result, so it's a really strong extension from Google Chrome, and you need to definitely try this out for more in-depth questions about certain search topics.